So today we have come here and it is drizzling today, and you can see behind me it is called puddled field, right? This field has been cultivated by the tractor, and you can see some bundle of paddy nursery. They are about to transplant their paddy, and you can see everywhere this just crops and crops, sugarcane crop and paddy crop. Okay, so yeah, in this video I'm going to share with you that actually what I used to think when I started speaking English language little bit. You know what, I was really unaware about this fluency, about this language, like how long time will it take, and what I have to do, what will I have to do in order to speak English language fluently. You know what kind of things I used to do? Every single day I used to just go outside for speaking English language, and I used to speak. And when I used to come home, like when I used to approach home, I used to go back, because I used to go. Actually it is drizzling, so let me just open my umbrella. Okay, so yeah, so now we have come here, so we have under this umbrella now. And yeah, we were talking about that when I was just learning English language. So in those days I was completely unaware about this language, that how can I become a fluent speaker, and the mistake I used to make when I used to go to that place, like little far away from my village, there is a station. Okay, I cannot share the name with you, so sorry for that. So yeah, I just used to go to that station, and at that station simply I used to speak there, and I used to just walk here and there. In a morning time there was no one, no one used to come there, and very few people, like they used to come just for looking after the track, that is there any problem or not. Okay, I simply used to go there, and I used to walk there, and I used to talk to myself. Yes, and I used to speak at least 2 hours, and sometimes 2.5 hours also. And every single day I used to go, and every single day I used to just speak and then come back home. So when I used to come back home, I used to forget everything. Like I did not used to think that now I need to think English in my mind. Now I need to think that every sentence, whatever people will speak, I will have to try to translate it. I will have to try to translate it into English. A few sentences, I mean, sometimes I used to do it, but sometimes I did not used to do it, and most of the time I did not used to try to translate each and everything. I used to just learn vocabularies. If something is written somewhere, okay, on any board or any other place, like if someone is speaking something, if any video I am watching and someone is speaking any new vocabulary, so I really used to just learn about that. I used to translate it into Hindi, and simply I used to learn that. But most of the time I did not used to try to speak in my, at my home, I would say, at my home. And I did not used to think even in English, like whatever I'm doing right now. If I had known about it before, so I would have become, little more fluent. Yes, as compared to now. So you know what, I didn't know about that. We have to think also to become fluent in English. I used to think that if I am going outside every single day, I'm going at that station, and simply I am able to speak. Like in those days, Simply I was able to speak some of the things the way I'm speaking right now. So I used to think that okay, now I'm able to speak some of the things. It means that day by day I can speak and I can improve my English language. Okay. And I was completely unaware that I would have to think also in my mind in order to speak English fluently, in order to speak English naturally, in order to speak English language professionally. You know, professionally is so far because if we are able to speak in a like simple way, like the way I'm speaking now, I'm stucking, I'm just struggling, I am not speaking very well, but I'm trying. And even I was not thinking that I would be doing this kind of things like recording videos and uploading on YouTube. Nothing like that. There was nothing like that in my mind even. And I didn't like this thing, like whatever I'm doing right now. I used to record my videos, but I did not used to think like, yeah, I will upload it on my YouTube channel. So yeah, if I am this kind of thing I'm talking about, I know very well that some of the people may be thinking that you are talking about these kind of things. I mean, what is the meaning of these kind of things? Tell me something about that, what actually you really want to say. So my friend, I just want to say one thing. If a person who really wants to speak this language fluently, effortlessly, so it is very very important to speak on. If he or she is not able to speak each and every, like every moment, we cannot speak because we have a lot of works, we have a lot of we have to speak so many things also in our mother tongue. Okay, so we cannot speak each and every sentence in English, but at least we can think some of the things, we can think in English. If we are doing something, so we can think something in our mind. Okay, so the point is, we when we start something, so sometimes we are unaware about so many things, right? So it is the mistake. So my friend, I just want you to become aware. If you are not, I know very well that so many people nowadays, most of the people are aware about. Actually, I am not aware. I was not, literally I was not aware about so many things. Now when I see so many people who are recording their videos, who are uploading on YouTube, now I'm watching those videos and I am realizing that what is the actual fluency, and and how we can become a fluent speaker. Because they people were speaking for hours and hours, they were thinking in English, they were just trying their best to become a fluent speaker. I know I was also trying to become, and I was doing my best, but those days I was not completely free. I was not focusing on this language. I was not free to do whatever I want to do. I had to do work. I had to go to work, and I had to like work like some different types of work. So I was not free at all. So that is why sometimes I used to speak and sometimes I did not used to speak. And that is the real problem that I am facing right now. Whatever I am doing right now here, mistakes I'm making, I'm struggling while speaking, I'm not speaking fluently. So it is just because of those problems. It is just because of those mistakes. That is why I'm not able to speak. So the thing I want to say, the thing I want to share with you is all about, if you are beginner and if you are just learning English, you are thinking to become a fluent speaker in a short period of time. So my friend, try to think as long as you can, as much as you can. Okay, I mean as many times as you can think, just think in your mind sentences in English, whether you are able to speak or not, but you can think like whatever very simple task, very simple things you can think in your mind. and thinking really can help you. Definitely it will definitely help you to become a fluent speaker. It will definitely help you to speak English language. Try to become like curious about the words, about something. If you are watching something, so try to know each and everything. Are you able to understand each and everything? Ask yourself that are you able to understand each and everything whatever the speaker is speaking? What is he saying actually? What is the meaning of this thing? I know that so many people are doing these kind of things, but still I am saying, because this thing I have experienced. So my friend, I just want to say one thing. Try to just know, try to translate, try to know each and everything whatever you are unable to understand. I mean, as many things as you can. Okay, each and everything you cannot translate, and each and everything we cannot understand. Okay, so just try to become curious about the things, try to become curious about the words. And yeah, these kind of things I wanted to share with you. So my friend, nowadays I'm just focusing on this language a lot. I mean, I am just speaking for a long, like for hours and hours. Okay, and I am giving my best, my 100% now, I can say. Yes, of course, because I really want to become a fluent speaker. About, like, if I want to talk about any other topic, so I should have that kind of capability, I should have that kind of ability, I should have that kind of fluency, so that I can speak about anything. Okay, like I should speak simple way, in a simple way, not in a fluent way, but at least I should speak. Okay, it is the thing, and it is very important. If we are learning, so we should have knowledge, we should have that kind of fluency, so that we can speak about any topic. Whatever I am speaking right now, it is a very simple conversation, and this is the main problem, that we are speaking every single day, we are speaking the same simple conversation. But I know very well that it is okay, it is very good, but it is also necessary to know that only these kind of conversation, just because of this kind of conversation, you cannot become a fluent speaker. You will have to speak about different types of topics. Okay, it is not enough. We will have to talk about very different things. Okay, so my friend, just try to speak. If you are able to speak, so I am saying, if you are not able to speak, so my friend, just listen. If you are just understanding English language, you are struggling to understand while understanding English language, you are thinking a lot, you are translating, you are struggling, so you need to listen English a lot. Okay, and automatically after some time, just practicing over time can make you able to understand. Okay, and you can easily understand English language after some time while listening. Just listen if you are not able to understand. Okay, and if you are able to speak, so my friend, it is your turn to speak. It is the moment, it is the time to speak this language from a very simple sentences. Yes, just try to start from a simple sentences, and then easily you can day by day you can speak. Okay, every day if you practice, then you can become something, like you can speak English language like little bit fluently, not so much fluently, not very fluently, but at least you will be able to speak. Okay, so this is the thing I just wanted to say to you. So yeah, okay, so I think this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope this video will be little bit helpful for you. Thank you for watching.